Can you unpack that for me? Can you give me a specific example? When you say blank, can you walk me through? Guys, this is huge for two reasons. Number one, you want to make sure that you understand what people are telling you, because oftentimes they'll say something and you'll either hear it wrong because you got wax in your ears, or they're not articulating enough. And then you go off on a wrong tangent and it doesn't strike it home. The second reason why you want to always say, unpack that for me, or can you give me a specific example, is because that's where all the good information is. Back to our previous conversation, right? What's the next financial milestone you want to hit? We want to get to 5%. When you say 5%, can you give me a specific example of how you want to get there? Well, we got to do recruitment, or we have to do this. Now you're having skillful conversations. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here, check it out. You're gonna see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's gonna give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income, or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence, but it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're going to see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also going to have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're going to see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.